Welcome back to Fit Survive channel. So we're back again with Wuben's latest release. This is the Wuben L3. And so they have once again done a great job of creating a really impressive flashlight for a very competitive price here. So you can see it comes in two colors. They have this tactical black and kind of this forest green. So they teamed up with 704 Tactical for this particular color. So you can see it comes with this camo box. So kind of cool there. But the specs are going to be identical between these two flashlights, just different color on the tool. So anyways, they've kept this to $50 is MSRP. Right now, they're just releasing it, so it comes with a nice, good discount. I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. So this is kind of a medium to large size flashlight, as you can see here, but I'll tell you more about that in just a minute. So this has a 3000 lumen max output, 4800 milliamp battery, and so pretty decent specs here, once again, for that pricing. Let me go ahead and show you the user interface real quick. So in the back, you have just one button, and if you press it down all the way, you're gonna get a double click. All right, that's when you turn it on. Then just a half click will scroll through the different settings. Pressing and holding it down all the way takes you to that 3000 lumen turbo. A quick double click will take you into the strobe, and a quick triple click gets you into the SOS. So super simple, very basic features, nothing complex here. Let's go outside real quick right now, and I will show you those settings out in the dark, and then we'll continue with this review. All right, so this is the Moonlight, just 5 lumens. They have the low, they have the medium, then the high. So it's right around 1500 lumens. Then this is the turbo at 3000 lumens. Right about 220 meter throw. And then this is the strobe. And then this is the SOS. All right, so as I was saying, medium to large size flashlight here. The main reason being is it has a large removable battery. Let me show you that. So it comes with a 21700 battery here, 4800 milliamp hours. And so you can see this is a fairly large battery here, and that's going to make up for the size of this flashlight. And so it's really good that they have such a large battery because, first of all, it has a high performance with a 3000 lumen max output, but also this doubles as a power bank, which is really cool, adds some really nice extra features. So to access that, basically you need to twist this right here until it reveals the Type-C charging port. So that is both input and output. Now you can see right here, this has a little O-ring. These are available. They have two spare O-rings in the box in case that gets damaged. And so the cool thing is with this really unique way that they've hitting the charging port, it has an IP68 waterproof rating, which is good for the typical, if you're out in the rain, you drop some water, it's like 1.5 meters for 2 hours or 2 meters for 1.5 hours, one of those two. Anyways, so back to the power bank, it has an 18-watt charger. And so it should be pretty good to charge up your phone nice and quickly. And then with this 4800 milliamp hour battery, should be more than enough to charge your phone up all the way if this battery is charged up. I think typically phones have right around like 3000 milliamp hour batteries. And so this 4800 milliamp should be more than enough. Again, as an emergency or a backup power bank, all you need is Type-C to Type-C, and you can charge your phone or any device that takes a Type-C. And of course, this does come with the Type-C cable in the box. It also has a lanyard in the box as well, and so that goes right there. Now, another cool thing is that since this has a tactical button there on the back, I like that they raise the edges so that you can still, let's say if the light's out and you want to illuminate an entire room, you can set this up on the tail of the flashlight, shines against the ceiling, and does a great job of illuminating an entire room. All right, so like I said, some pretty basic features here with this. I do like the design. It is very minimalistic. You see on these, it both have the pocket clip, nice and sturdy pocket clips on these. And so anyways, as far as our pricing goes, like I said, $50 is the MSRP. Right now, if you get these on Amazon, the black one's gonna come with a coupon, which you just need to click the checkbox and you get a 20% coupon. Brings this down to $40. Now, of course, that's before taxes, depending on where you're located. Now, the green one, and this is, by the way, available on both their website and on Amazon. I do have a special discount if you use the website. Be sure to snag my discount code. It'll be in the description of the video. Amazon has the coupon kind of like built in. Whereas the green one, this is only available on Amazon, and I have a special discount code for you guys, again, down in the description of the video. And you'll be able to get like 21% off of this flashlight, bringing it down to like $39. So $1 cheaper than the black flashlight. But once again, you make sure you use that coupon code when you're checking out on Amazon. Like when you select your payment method, you'll be able to put in a promo code. That's what you need to copy and paste to make sure you get that 21% off, so you can get this for a great price. So anyways, $39 is basically the rough price on these flashlights. And so I think that's a great price for what you're getting. You're getting 3,000 lumens max output, 4,800 milliamp hour battery, replaceable. Cool thing is if you need to swap them out, bring spares, you can do that. Doubles as a emergency power bank. And of course, I mean, it just, I don't know, I think it's a great option for a pretty decent price. But let me know what you think about these flashlights, if that's something you can see yourself using. If you think the price is fair for what you're getting here. Which color do you like better? Do you like this 704 tactical green here, or you like just the plain black? Anyways, I'll have links and coupon codes in the description, the video description. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.